In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Eventbrite customer service. By the end, you'll know the quickest path to real help, what to expect from their system, and how to get your issue in front of the right person. The most reliable way to get support is through the official Eventbrite Help Center. Start by heading to the Eventbrite Contact Support page. Log into your account first. This matters because once you're signed in, the system can see your tickets, events, and recent activity, and it tailors the support options you'll see. After you're logged in, you'll be asked to choose what your question is about: attending an event, organizing an event, or something else. Pick the option that best matches your situation and follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your selection and your account status, Eventbrite may route you to live chat, an email contact form, or a relevant help article. Sometimes you'll see a combination of these. If live chat appears, it's usually the fastest way to get a human response. If you're given a form, fill it out with clear, concise details so the team can act without a lot of back and forth. Help articles are also there to guide you through common fixes, and many issues can be resolved in a few minutes by following those instructions. A quick tip to speed things up: have your event name, order number, the email tied to your ticket, and a brief summary of the issue ready. You don't need to share any sensitive information like passwords, but accurate details help the system route you correctly and help agents understand what's going on. It's important to set expectations. Eventbrite's support flow is designed to be automated and self-service first, which means you'll often see recommended articles before you're offered chat or a contact form. That's normal. Also, refunds are controlled by event organizers in many cases. If your question is specifically about a refund, transfer, or a change to a particular event, you'll usually need to contact the organizer directly. You can do that from the event page or your ticket email by selecting the option to contact the organizer and sending a clear message with your request. Finally, response times vary depending on the type of issue and volume. If it's time-sensitive and chat is available, use it. If you submit a form, keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder and avoid sending multiple duplicate requests, which can slow things down. To recap, start at the official Help Center, log in, choose the topic that fits, and follow the prompts to chat, email support, articles, or forms. And if it's about a specific event or refund, reach out to the organizer directly.